Namo Gurubhya. We start now the 14th lesson of Easy Sanskrit, teaching on verb. The roots of verb. Kriya Dhadu. Roots of verb are the rudimentary form wherefrom the meaning is derived. For example, the root of karoti, to do, is kr. From kriny dhadu, from the root kriny, so many forms are derived. Karta, one who does, the noun. Karta. Karma. Kriti. Kriti is the deed, the work. I will give a list of usually seen verbs in Sanskrit. Padha, padhati, padadaha, padhanti. Likh, likh, likhati, likhadaha, likhanti. Drish. Drish is the root of pashyadi. Drishti, noun. Drashta, one who sees. The seer is drashta. Darshanam, seeing, vision is darshanam. But when it comes in the present tense, one adesha, one sound is followed by to decline, to do the conjugation. That is pash. Pashyadi, pashyataha, pashyanti. Balaha chitram pashyadi, janaha chitrani pashyanti. People see film. Padhati, likhati, pashyati. Now, gayati, sing. Balika ganam gayati. Balikaha ganam gayanti. Charati. Mrgaha charati. The deer eats grass. Charati has another meaning also, to walk. Charanti, plural, walk. Charati, charanti. We can refer the description and see dozens of roots of verb and present forms conjugated in it. The forms of noun is called declension. Forms of verb is called conjugation. Thank you.